Hello guys, in this episode we will explain what is the Django. Have you ever heard to build powerful websites quickly with Python? Then you need to know about the Django. It's a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. The Django follows the don't repeats principle, providing many built-in features so you don't know how to code everything from scratch. Think of it as complete toolbox that handles common web development tasks from users authentication and database interactions to URL routing and templating. It's often described as batteries included because it comes with so much out of the box. This makes it incredibly efficient for building complex database driven websites like social networks, content management system, or e-commerce platforms. The Django is known for its security, scalability, and robust ecosystem. It powers major sites like Instagram, Shopify, and YouTube's backend. If you're looking to build sophisticated web application with Python, the Django is an excellent, powerful choice.